Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the notification sound on your Samsung Galaxy tablet. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by opening the Settings app on your tablet. In Settings, select Sound and then choose Notification Sound. Here you have a large list of sounds to choose from. Tap on a sound to preview it, and leave it selected to make it your new notification sound. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Galaxy Tab tips and tricks.